Abby from American Duchess here to introduce you to my brand spanking new vlog. Yay! Vlog! So currently you're sitting with me in my guest room slash sewing room of my apartment on a lovely Sunday morning here in Reno, Nevada, where I look professional and nice from the waist up, but I'm still in my pajamas from the waist down. So full disclosure there. So I thought that maybe doing a vlog would be a really good way to talk about what I'm working on, share what I'm working on, but in a way that I feel a little bit more satisfied with from a creative perspective. Over the past year or so, I've been writing 2 books with Lauren. I've gotten really tired of writing, and even though I do usually enjoy writing, I just kind of want to give it a break. And so I thought that doing a vlog with my new sewing projects would actually be more fun and interesting, not only just for me, but for you all as well. So I want to be really honest with you all. I don't want to just show you the pretty successful things. I want to sit on this chair and be pissed and cry or be excited and be really thrilled that I figured something out, because sewing is a constant learning process. You're never an expert 100% in everything, right? You always have something new you can learn. And so that's what I want to share with you all is I want to go on that journey, and I want you guys to come with me, because I'm just gearing up and ready to go. I'm like, yeah, let's do this shit. So yeah, I guess I should probably stop recording now though and actually figure out what the hell I'm going to cut out today from my wardrobe and record that video, because that would be the smart thing to do. But anyways, subscribe to American Duchess if you haven't already. And if you don't know, we're also on Instagram and Facebook, American Duchess. We also have a podcast, Fashion History with American Duchess, which you will always find me on because that's another baby project of mine. So yeah, see you around. Bye.